Here with a look at Coti. All right, we're taking right now on this chart that we're looking at right here. There's a very crucial area that Coti needs to break back through, and that's this yellow line right here. All right, you can see back here when we broke above that, we came back, tested it as support, bounced off that, and had a massive run up. All right, when we came back down in the bear market, once we fell through it, we were unable to get back above that level again. All right, came up, got rejected, fell back down over here. It did break up through, and it attempted to hold it, but it eventually lost it, came back up, retested it as resistance, and has pushed back down here. All right, now we're going to take a look at the RSIs here in a little bit and see if Coti has a chance of getting back up above this. It's about 11.5 cents. All right, at what a super important level to gain back. All right, first off, I want to show you the crypto bubbles over here. Here's for the day. This is the top 100. Wait, boy, you know, some of these. Oh, I'm sorry. That's top 400. If I was looking at my row just a minute ago. So here's your top 100. Okay, that looks better. Got Ordi up 12.8%, Uni up 7%, Sats up 6.8%, Aave, OM, Mantra, okay, 95 cents. And let's see here, where is Coti at on this? Coti ranked number 259. All right, market, you gotta love these. I love these lower market caps. $142 million market cap, volume 11.72 million, and we're up 3.7% for the day. All right, so if we come back over here and take a look, the Fear and Greed Index, I do want to show you that too because it's at a 26. All right, historically, when we are down in these levels, tends to be one of the best times to buy. You know, if you go back and look at lows, usually when we're in fear, to extreme fear, turns out normally that's when a low comes in, okay, a bottom. Now with Bitcoin here, out on a 4 hour, you can see here, I was watching for this thing to possibly pull back down here to right around 55.1 and do an ABC pattern in here, but looks like we might have we could have caught a bottom here, you know, about 57.1, getting a nice bounce. You have the daily RSI on this thing. It turned back to the upside. Let me show you that right down here in the bottom. The RSI has turned back up, and it is breaking a small resistance area right now. This yellow line was overhead resistance. And it's breaking up through there. So we'll see what happens with Bitcoin here, but possible bottom came in here for this thing. Now if we come back over to Coti, all right, take a look at the weekly RSI. Bullish, a 41 and a 38, extremely pretty low down here. It's at a what is it? It's at a 44 right now, so not even halfway up on the RSI down here in the bottom. Your daily just turned back to the upside. Okay, that's good. That's great to see. Definitely want to see that. And your 5 day, 5 days at a 29 and a 36, tempting to turn back to the upside. Down the bottom, the regular RSI is headed to the upside. The stochastic is trying to make a curve back up. And your 3 day, 3 days bearish, 35 and a 47. All right, so but we do have the daily heading back to the upside here. All right, now if we come out on a weekly on this thing and take a look, you know, looks at our bear market low back through here. Now if we go off that low and see where we bounced off this low as far with a fib, all right, go from our low back up to our high. You know, you definitely want to see this thing call a bottom here, okay, for sure. I mean, it pulled through the 786 pip levels. You definitely don't want to see that. You want to see a bounce from here, okay? You definitely want to see a bottom come in. You don't want this thing to go any lower. All right, that's for sure. I mean, it is as low as you want to see it to go. All right, we only want to see upside from here on this, or that could spell very bad news. All right, now obviously it's going to make a run, I would imagine, back up towards that 11.5 cents and attempt to take that back as support, especially with that daily RSI heading to the upside. The 12-hour is bullish and heading up. Do we have any divergences here? No. no bullish divergence on there. The 8-hour is heading to the upside. All right, so you definitely you can see right here broke a little resistance area. Take a trend line down through here, right down through here. You can see it has broken out of that. All right, it has broke that resistance. The big one is on this overhead. All right, right down through here. All right, that's the big one. I would imagine it's going to make a run up here. It's probably more than likely going to get up back up 0.09 cents. I can definitely see it making a run at this resistance line. Question is it going to break it or not? All right, right now price is at 0.082. All right, so probably going to step its way up. More likely a 5 wave up here on the 1 hour. Yeah, probably going to have a. What we got going on in there? Yeah, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. I'd be watching for a 618 pullback right here, possibly a 50% even. You know, a lot of these times when these things are extremely bullish, you only get a 50% pullback and then they take off. But I'd watch for this thing. You know, leave this on here. You know, come back down, either take off from there or work its way down here to the 618, 702, right in this zone here, and work its way up out. Either of those, I would definitely be watching for, guys. I mean, especially with your daily RSI heading to the upside, Bitcoin trying to make a run. Everything else should be making a run up here. So we're going to put a box in here, and when we come back next time, we will see how this 50%, you know, right in this area here, I'd be looking for a bounce out of here. All right, so I'll keep an eye on this thing. Check out a level 3 membership. It's $14.99, gets you over 10 hours of videos to teach how to start charting, and get you a link to our Discord to come and start trading with us, guys. All right, please hit that like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Have a great day, everybody.